All right, the drink we're about to make is called White Elephant. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in your glass and let it sit while you're making your drink. It'll get it nice and chilled for you. Okay, fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out ½ ounce of vodka, followed by ½ ounce of creme de coco and 2 ounces of cream. All right. Now go ahead and take your shaker and give it a good shake. A little interesting fact about White Elephant. In the story of Buddha, the white elephant represents fertility and knowledge. Isn't that amazing? All right. Use your strainer to pour it in. And you should have a nice fluffy cocktail. And there it is, the White Elephant, bottoms up.